when you have missing values in your data set, one of the approaches you can consider applying to fill in those blanks is what we call last observation carried forward. And what that simply means is that you fill in those blanks using the value from the row before. So let's see how we can do that in Python. The first thing we do is to load our data set into the environment. The data set that we are working with is Lobster Land 2021. And then we check our data frame for missing values. We have only one column with missing values, and that is the precipitation column. That is the column that records the amount of rainfall that occurred on the day. Now, when we isolate those rows with missing values to get a better understanding of the context, we see that those missing records occurred on 1 day in June, 2 days in July, and 3 days in September. Now, if we apply the last observation carried forward approach to fill in those blanks, what we are essentially saying is that, okay, if it didn't rain on the 2nd of June, then we will assume there was also no rainfall on the 3rd of June, so on and so forth. So let's go ahead and apply the values from the previous row to fill in those blanks using fillna, open brackets, method equals ffill. F stands for forward, so we are saying forward fill. And then we can check the result of our imputation. Okay, so on the 2nd of June, there was a little bit of rainfall, 0.01. And so by applying LOCF, we now see that the 3rd of June no longer says NA, it's no longer blank. It now says 0.01 as well. Similarly, we had a missing entry on the 30th of July. Well, if we go to the 29th of July, we see that there was no precipitation, no rainfall in the day. Therefore, in this method, we are assuming there was also no rainfall on the 30th of July. So there you have it. That is LOCF in Python. Thank you.